Hello there, this is Melanie McClure, the founder of DoggyDancing.com, bringing to you today tip number 3. The tip of the day is train your dog in short sessions and build up his endurance over time. I know this might sound obvious, but too many people train too long with their dogs. You want to keep every training session short and build up his endurance over time. So initially, a training session might just be 1 to 2 minutes long per session, and then you take a break, do something else, let your dog have a breather, let your dog go be a dog. Remember that when training your dog to dance, you're teaching your dog to do things that your dog might not normally do, things that might make him sore with continued repetition. So a happy dog is a dog that's not sore, so don't train your dog for too long. Once your dog knows tricks and knows moves and is very comfortable doing it, you can build up the length of your training sessions over time. And eventually you'll have 15-minute, half-hour, hour, 2-hour potential training sessions. But definitely not in the beginning. Keep it short, 1 to 2 minutes per session. And then, as your dog actually knows the tricks and knows the moves and is happy and excited about what you're doing, you can keep on training and training longer and longer. But remember, if your dog stops or gets frustrated, or you get frustrated, you've trained for too long. Your dog will be happiest in the next training session if you stop while you're ahead and your dog still wants more. So, that's the tip for the day. Tune in next time for the next tip of the day. And remember, keep those training sessions short.